Hi guys, so welcome to our new video. So this time, we'll talk about definite integral. So of course, kung mapansin natin yung topic natin, we'll talk about indefinite. So indefinite, lagi may plus c, di ba? So this time, we'll talk about definite integral. So pag sinabing definite, exact, di ba? Define. So kaya dito, wala na tayong c. And kung papansin natin, ayan, ang ating general formula ng definite integral ay ito. Ayan. So, the integral of their function of x dx integrate from b to a. So, itong b, that's your upper limit. So, dito, introduce natin yung sinasabing upper and lower limit. So, ayan. So, we have here a curve. So, ito ay simple term lang naman to, or simple explanation. So, let's say we have, ito yung function of x natin. Ito, tong curve na to. And it is bounded by these limits, which is b, a and b, or b and a. So, by this boundary conditions, itong naka-shade na to, that is your area under the curve, which is, ito yung curve mo, di ba? So, pag definite integral, guys, definite, ano natin dyan is, meron siya exact value. Or yung function natin dito ay exact, kumbaga. So, may makukuha ka talagang value. So, yun yung ano natin. I can guarantee, guys. Ayan, so, isa pang ano nito, implication nito is, lagi yan, your upper limit should always be subtracted to your lower limit. So, huwag niya pagpabaliktad. So, okay lang magbaliktad kasi but you'll get a negative value. So, pag negative na kuha mo, it means baliktad. So, yung lower limit, yung nasubtract mo dun sa upper limit. So, wala namang negative area, di ba? So, always make sure na tama yung pag-subtract nyo ng upper and lower limit. Okay, so, napaka-simple naman ito, guys. So, all you have to do is just integrate the function, then substitute nyo lang yung upper and lower limit. That's as easy as that one. And later, siguro, solve natin using your calculator. So, kaya naman sa calculator yan. So, wala na problema. Okay? Let's try. Let's try example number 1 muna. So, dali lang ito. So, we have the function of x squared dx integrate from 2 to 1. Ayan. Sabi ko nga, first step natin, integrate mo lang yung function. Or if you want, kung kaya mo i-graph mo. Kung kapansin natin, this function is a parabola opens upward. Okay? So, gusto mo i-graph yan, so pwede naman. So, sabi dito, we need to define the area bounded by this curve from 2 to 1. So, parang ganito rin. Or pag tinraph mo yan, almost, yung graph niya is, ano lang siya. So, parabola siya na upward, then, ang may itsura ng curve mo, ganyan. Okay, so, let's say, kung gagraph natin yan, so, let's say ito. Kung gusto mo i-graph, mabilis ang graph lang. Ayan, so, let's say, ayan. So, of course, it's a parabola opening upward, di ba? Ayan. So, this one, let's say this 2, this 1. So, ayan. So, ito yung area under this curve. So, ang most of nating area ay ito. Yung shaded part na yan ng function natin. Okay? Okay, so let's continue. So, let's try to integrate. So, sabi ko nga, integrate nyo lang yung function. What is the integral of x squared? So, power formula lang yan, di ba? X cubed over 3. But this time, wala ka ng plus c. Bakit? Kasi exact na yung function mo. So, meron ka ng boundary conditions. So, that is integrate from 2 to 1. So, lastly, substitute mo lang yung value. Upper limit minus the lower limit. So, substitute. So, it becomes 2 cube over 3 minus 1 cube over 3. Which is, so, 8 over 3 yan. Minus 1/3. So, your answer is 7 over 3. So, yun. That is your area under the curve of this function. So, sir, is there a way to check kung tama yung sagot? Of course. So, pwede mong gawin sa calculator nga yan. So, let's try to use a calculator. Kita ba, guys? Ayan. O, kita naman. Ayan. Well, let's try to use a calculator para at least mas ma-solve natin. Ayan. So, how to use calculator? So, ito lang yan. So, yun. So, pindutin nyo lang tong part na to, ito. So, write the function x. Sorry. Gagamit ka ng alpha. Then, raise squared. Then, input mo lang yung boundary conditions, which is, boundary conditions? 1 to 2. So, lower limit, upper limit. Then, equals. Yun, 7/3. Kita naman, no? Yun. So, yun. So, tama yung sagot natin, guys. Okay, so that's definitely that's how simple definite integral is. So, integrate nyo lang yung function. So, pwede yung katulad ng mga previous discussion natin. Depende yan. Pwedeng integration by parts, yung procedure. Pwedeng ln lang. Or depende sa function mo. Then, you substitute the limits. Okay? So, yun. So, next video, we'll try example number 2. Okay, guys? So, thank you.